Alright, and this is how to find the country Canada's energy output.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Production. First website is cecdata.com. You can see the country Canada's electricity or energy output or their production from the year 1950 up until 2024 or fairly recently. You can go to 10 years, max, etc. This is a more in-depth website. As you can see, if we scroll down, we have the key analytics or series of how they use the tax or their revenue, their budget or the expenses in CAD, their total exports, trade balance, total imports, the growth of imports, etc. The next website is ourworldindata.org, and again, the country Canada, their energy or the country's output or its profile. This is also a more in-depth, but it's great for beginners and for, basically anyone who wants to see Canada's output in energy and electricity, as it says how much energy does the country consume each year and so forth. Recommend checking it out. Last but not least, usdepthclock.org is the third website, and as you can see, the country Canada is right here. This is how much energy that they use.